Hello everyone. In this series we will go from zero to creating a fully functional Discord bot using Python. So this is the part 1 of the series where we will set everything up and make your first command. So first of all what we have to do is to install Python in our computer. If you have already installed it, you can skip this part. Go here and click on downloads, and you can download any release after 3.12. All are good. After installing this, you have to install our code editor, which will be here, Visual Studio Code. Go here and click on download for Windows. It will install and you can install the setup. And the third thing is we need a Discord bot token. For this you have to go on this URL, Discord developer applications, and click on create new application and give a name to your bot. For now we will give Dynaxis YT. Then create it and solve the captcha. Here you got it. Then click on bot, and first of all you have to on these settings, these three settings, and click on save changes. These are the required permissions you need to give to your bot to start. Now the important thing is the token. It is required to start your bot. Put up your password here, click on submit. Now it will give you the token. Make sure to hide it from anyone else from you. For now I am showing to you this, but every time keep it as a secret. And the third thing is here to do is to invite the bot to our server. Click on bot and click on permission you want to give to your bot, but now we are giving administrator permission. Click this URL and go to your Discord server where you want to invite the bot. Paste the link here, click on the link. You can choose in which server you want to invite the bot. Click on YT and authorize the bot. Now your bot will join the server. Solve the captcha. Yeah, now your bot is here, you can see it. Now your basic steps are complete. Now we have to write code for it. First of all, open Visual Studio Code, and here you can see create a file from this button. Name it any, but for now I am giving it main.py. And now we have to install the Discord package from Python. So first open the terminal by clicking Ctrl plus backtick. Here we will write pip install discord.py. Here you can see it will install all requirements we required for our project. I have already installed it, that's why it's saying requirement already satisfied. And now you can close the terminal and continue to the code. So now we will start writing the code. First I am writing some import statements. I will explain it later. So what are these lines are doing? It is importing some things which we use in our code to run our bot. This is the simplest explanation I can give. Now the second thing is intents. Let me write it. So yeah, what are these lines doing is you are giving your bot permission to what your bot can do in your server. So this is some default permission, and this is the permission. The message content permission is that now your bot can see what are the message are being typed in your server and can also moderate that messages. Now we will set a prefix which will trigger your bot. We can also use slash commands here, but we will later learn that. It's an advanced topic. Here we have done a typo. Yeah, You can give any prefix here like a dot or anything. For now I'm giving exclamation mark, and now you will tell your bot like you have these permissions. Now we will create a event which will let us know that is our bot is ready or not. When the bot is ready, it will print statement like our bot is logged in. Successfully. And now we have to run the bot. For now we are putting token directly here, but in future we will learn about how to use .env files so you can hide your token always. Now we will paste the token here. Yeah, now you can click on control plus asterisk if you are using Python. Visual Studio Code. Right here Python main.py and then press enter. It will start your bot. Here you can see when it's ready, it printed the message bot is logged in successfully, what we write here. Now check your Discord server. Here you can see the bot is online, but if you type anything with the prefix, it will not give a reply because we haven't set it the command yet. To set the command, here you can also see the command doesn't exist in our server. So just press Ctrl C to turn off the bot and click delete. Now we will set up the command we have to use. For setting up, you can use this code bot. We will create a function. Here you can see this is the command name hello. You can set anything, then press write ctx. I will explain it later on, don't worry. So yeah, this is our simplest command you can ever write. It just trigger when you write hello in your Discord server and simply replies hello sir. Sorry, my bad. Now just save it by Ctrl plus S and now run your bot. Python main.py. It's starting. Yeah, now you go ahead in your server and try command hello. Here you can see that your bot is replying to your command very successfully. So yeah, this is all for this video. In this video we learn how to set up your Discord bot and everything, and how to run the first command. So in the next video we will take it a step further and learn how to add slash commands to our Discord bot. This is the modern way of interacting with bots. If you have any question or get stuck, drop a comment below. I am always here to help. And don't forget to join my Discord server. The link is in the description. You can check my server for update supports, or you can connect with other devs like you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this bot development series. Thank you.